Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have this F82 M4 in the workshop, and it is very, very poorly. It has three super common issues with these cars, especially now they're getting relatively old. So this particular car has actually failed its MOT. The reason being is that we found one of the rear coil springs has failed. This particular car had some aftermarket lowering springs which have also cracked and caused this MOT failure. So obviously we're going to need to replace the springs. Whilst we're also under the underside of the vehicle, we also noticed that one of the dampers was leaking as well. And then as this car has EDC on it, they're quite costly to replace, and ideally you should be replacing dampers as an axle pair as well as springs. So we've got a few different issues that we need to resolve on this, and this particular customer has chosen to not only replace those items but perform a significant upgrade. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Going to be installing a powerflex rear diff mounting bush. So we're going to press out the original failed bush and pop in a powerflex bush. So the diff is going to move around a lot less, but it's also got a lifetime warranty as well. So it's not going to fail in the same way as the factory item. We're also going to replace the whole entire suspension. So we're going to be replacing the factory dampers and springs with some AST one-way coilovers. On this particular car, we're installing a slightly different kit because we're going to be installing a AST 5100 road kit with some AST front top mounts. We're going to be keeping the rear setup divorced so we can have a nice soft progressive spring. We're also going to be installing some double digressive pistons, so a DDB piston, and we're going to talk about that a lot more in the workshop, so we can talk you all the way through that. And the final upgrade we're going to do is the suspension secrets rear toe arms and the front lower control arm bushes, and then obviously our wheel alignment as well. So let's head in the workshop, let's get the parts stripped from the car, we'll get all the upgraded parts out in front of us and talk you through. So we'll see you inside in a minute. So here's the handling package we're fitting on this M4. Let's talk you through it. I have the AST 5100 series kit, AST front camber top mounts, eibach anti-roll bars, suspension secrets front control arm bushings, and finally the suspension secrets rear toe arms as well. Customer's requirements was they wanted the car still comfortable on the road, but sportier handling, and most importantly, to make it safe again by replacing those failed rear springs and those failed dampers. So this is what we've got. So coilovers, so it's adjustable front and rear ride height. So we get the ride height dialed in really nicely. And on this particular kit, we've got the special double digressive pistons, which is an additional extra. And what this does is it creates special damping characteristics of the car. So the low speeds compression and rebound is quite strong, but then as you go into the higher shaft speed movements, it starts to bleed off. So what you're trying to achieve on a car with good ride quality is that the valving will open up, or there'll be a lot of oil flow when you have the high speed movements, so it won't disturb the car. But then when you're going around the corners, the car is nice and firm. And also what we have the road spring rates as well. So we've still got a progressive front spring and then a road rear spring with a divorced setup on the rear, so it's nice and quiet on the rear. To unlock a lot more extra front tire grip, we've got the AST front camber adjustable top mounts. These top mounts work with the AST 5100 series kit with the progressive springs, and it also works with a factory top mount as well. And with this, we can remove from deflection from the front, and then also we can add in some more negative camber on the front end of the car as well. Also on the front ends, we've got the suspension secrets front control arm bushings. So what you'll see in a minute when we remove the factory control arm bushes is a very, very big rubber bush. And over time, this can perish, fail, allow a lot of excessive movement, and even in its standard form allows a lot of movement as well. So whenever you're braking, whenever you're accelerating, and whenever you're putting like a cornering load through the car, the suspension is actually moving around and all your toes and cambers are all changing dynamically, which makes the car feel very, very sort of lost to sort of drive on the front end. We've also got the eibach anti-roll bars. So these increase your spring rate during roll, and when you're driving in a straight line, they don't affect your ride quality whatsoever. So because we've got some softer spring rates on the front and the rear of the car, the eibach anti-roll bar kit really helps the car going through the corners to resist the body roll. And finally, suspension secrets rear toe arms. So on the factory car, when you lower the car, you tend to run out of toe adjustment. You can tend to either get the camber you want or the toe you want. You have to sort of decide which one you want to go for. So install these toe arms, and then we are free to get the camber that we want, dial in the toe, and also importantly is because this has the spherical bearings on the ends, it means that there's less deflection as well. So your toe doesn't change as much dynamically, which can really, really settle down the rear end of the car. And of course, this whole package is on our website now as well. So you can head into the description if you want to grab these parts, and we also ship worldwide as well as install here. So let's go ahead to the install. Okay, so now we're finished with the F8x M4. We've got all the parts fitted to the car, and we also added on a couple of extras like the eibach anti-roll bar kit, and this car drives absolutely amazing. The ride quality on the road is really nice, especially on the UK's incredibly bumpy roads, but then when you load it up and you go around the corners, the dampers firm up quite nicely, so it feels absolutely amazing. Got loads of adjustment in ride height, loads of adjustment in camber, loads of adjustment in rear toe, and loads of adjustment in the damping as well. So this is a really, really nice setup for this customer to enjoy on the road, and especially if he wants to go on the track as well, sort of a best of both worlds. And if you're looking to have any of these parts fitted to your M4, M3s, M2s, because we all use the same parts underneath, then you can contact our team in the description, and we also ship internationally as well, and we'll link all these parts in the description. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, let us know in the comments, but we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.